Till now, we have learned about variables, and variables can store different types of data in the computer memory. Now, if there is some numeric value, then there must be some operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and other operators as well. To perform such those operations, we need some operators. So, what it is saying that operators are the construct which can manipulate the value of operands. So for a number 4 and 5, if we are adding it, then we get 9. We all know. Now in Python, how we can do that? So that is the topic for this video. So this type of operators like addition, the plus operator, subtraction, the addition operator, subtraction operator, multiplication, division, modulus, exponential, floor division, these types of operators are known as arithmetic operators. So let us make it clear with an example. So the first topic is arithmetic operators. So let me create a code cell here and try to understand the arithmetic operators with example. So if we add or use the plus operator between two numbers, and let me run the code, and it is, you can see that it is printing 9. So this is common thing, right? And for same for the subtraction operation, if we give it a minus, then it will print -1. The multiplication operator in any programming language is defined using the asterisk symbol. If you run the code, you can see it will print 20. So this is the multiplication operator. And for modulus, we use the modulus operation to get the remainder. So let's say we want to divide 21 with 2 and we want to get the remainder, then the modulus operation is used. So what will be the answer? So I think your guess is right. The answer will be 1, because 2 tens are 20 and the 1 is the remainder. Then we have division, and for division we use the forward slash, and you can see that it is printing the result 10.5. So if we are dividing the integer type with an integer type variable, and it is giving us a float type data, so this is something you need to remember. And exponential means power of something. So let's say 2 power 2 means 2 times 2, and it will return 4. 3 times 2, then it will print as 8. This is how the exponential operator works. And double asterisk means the exponential operator. Then floor division, do I mean by that? Floor division with 3. So it will give us an integer type data. Why? So first of all, let us divide 10 with 3, and we know that we will get a large fractional value when we divide 10 with 3, 3.3.3.3. But if we floor divide it, then it will give us the integer part only, and you can see that it is printing only 3, and it will give us the lesser quotient possible in the division. So if we divide 3, then the result is being 3.3 point something. Floor division, it gives us the lower value possible in the division. So let me show you with one more example. If we divide 10 with 6, then we are getting the result as 1.6.6. so it can be treated as 2 because it is greater than 1.5, right? But if we floor divide 10 with 6, then we will get the answer as 1, because it always returns the lowest number possible in the division. So I think you got the point how floor division works. So these are the arithmetic operators that we use in Python. So in the next video we will learn about the comparison operators.